loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a first impressions of my UGG Ultra Mini Boots. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. I make videos such as hauls, unboxings, reviews, updated reviews of some contemporary as well as luxury items. So if you're into that topic, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. Also, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. That way it will help the algorithms of my channel. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I do post some OOTD and how I wear these items on a daily basis. And lastly, I would like to thank all of my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I would like to let you know that I have put some timestamps throughout the video, so if you are interested in a specific chapter, you can go check it out in the description down below. And I also made an unboxing video that I'm going to put the card just right there. You can go and check it out if you just want a simple ASMR type of unboxing. Okay, so now we're going to start with the specs, the prices and everything concerning this boots. So first and foremost, here it is. So it came in this brown box as all of the UGGs or UGG. I don't know how you say it, but I'm going to say it UGGs, okay? So yeah, it arrived in this brown box. And just to let you know, what I have is the classic Ultra Mini Boots in the color gray, and I have it in a size 36. In UK, I think it's size 3, and in the US, it's size 5, and in Japan, it's size 22. Going to show it to you here. I don't know if it will focus, but yeah, that's it. And then, like as you have seen on the unboxing video, just going to show you, it arrived with this pamphlet. I think it's just a QR code and just to register maybe the product. And then I'm going to just take it out of the box, and then we're going to talk about the specs of these boots. Okay, so these are the UGGs Classic Ultra Mini Boots. First and foremost, concerning the boots itself, apparently this is UGG's most iconic silhouette with a lower shaft height, as you can see in here, and adding easy on and off enhanced versatility. So this is actually pre-treated to keep it looking better for longer. This classic features everything that normally you will love about the original one, meaning that it's in sheepskin, ultra soft, UGGs plush, as you can see inside as well, lining, and a flexible and lightweight sole. And this wear with virtually anything. The styling options are indeed endless. On the UGG's website, they recommend that you purchase your usual size, like I did, size 36 for this style. And also here at the back, as you can see, there's a loop. Apparently you can use it to assist you in getting the boot on your foot, which I tend to use on all of my UGGs boots. So in details concerning the boots, it is protected, so it means that there's a post-applied treatment, topically applied water repellency treatment. This one has a 17mm twin face sheepskin upper. It has a asymmetrical top line overlock stitch detailing on seams, as you can see in here, rear pull tab, and a suede heel counter. It has a 17mm sheepskin lining, a 17mm UGG plush, which is 80% wool and 20% lyocell insole inside, and then the Treadlite by UGG's outsole for comfort. And the polyester binding, it has a 3.5 inches of shaft height. So this is not the platform one, this is the normal sole height. And then it has a leather in here at the back. It has a leather heel label with embossed UGG's logo. It is apparently best for casual wear. And yeah, so and this one is in the color gray, and like I've mentioned, a size 36. Okay, so now I'm going to talk why I chose this specific model and color. So first and foremost, why this model? It's just because Instagram made me do it. Yeah, I know. I see this model everywhere on Instagram. And since I already have other UGGs boots, you know, the classic height, and another one that is ribbon, another one that it is in leather, some slippers, and yeah, just to let you know, I will do another video comparing those different UGGs boots. Well, at least the ones that I have. So stay tuned for that video. Click your notification bell so you'll be informed when I'll upload that video. So yeah, I chose this one because this is a style that I don't have in my collection. So yeah, that's the first thing. Second thing is, yeah, like I've mentioned, Instagram made me buy this because when I see it on picture, it really looks very aesthetic. So yeah, and then the third reason is I chose this color because at first I wanted to pick up the classic color, which is the camel one, but for my size, it was out of stock. And I purchased this one on the UGG's website itself here in Belgium. When I picked the size 36, they only have 3 more colors left, which were gray, red, and green. And to be honest, I was like, I cannot wear the red one nor the green one. That's why I opted for the gray one. It's a lot more versatile, and I don't have this color because all of the UGGs that I have are all in the camel color. I have a black one and then my first gray one. And the gray one, I think it's very easy to wear, such as the camel and the black one. So I was like, okay, no problem. The gray one, it will be easier for me to wear in comparison to the red and to the green one that they have still in stock. But this, before filming this video, I actually checked up on the UGG's website and they were all out of stock, at least the size 36, except for the red one. So it really goes out of stock very, very fast. So if you're interested of having one, either you go check on the UGG's website or other third-party, because on other third-party website I've tried first and no, I couldn't find anything size 36, and I was just very lucky to have the one in the UGG's website. So yeah, so actually those are the 3 reasons why I opted for this, because the style, I think this is something that I will be able to wear. I could wear it with pants, jeans, dresses, even skirts, and it will be very nice, especially during this season, fall and winter. Although I know that I will not wear this when it rains, like all of my UGG boots. So yeah, those were actually the reasons why I chose this model and this color. Okay, so for the styling, I will let you go check my Instagram account, because I will be posting pictures out there of how I wear these boots on a daily basis. So be sure to follow me on Instagram so you will be able to see how it works with my frame and with my outfits. And lastly, my first impressions about the boots itself. It's not the first time that I actually bought UGGs boots, so I know how they looks like. I know how they feels like. So the only thing in this case is this is the first time that I actually purchased them online, and the delivery was really quite fast. The box was nicely wrapped, as if you've seen my unboxing video. And as for the shoes itself, well, they're UGGs boots. I don't know if there will be some negatives with them. I know my size, so I was sure that the size 36 is perfect for me. I can put them without socks. I can put them with socks. No hassle with that. And the color itself, it's quite unique because it's all gray, so it will be a lot easier, I think, for me to wear. And the finishes, yeah, basic UGGs boots. What else I can say? I think the best thing is comparisons of my different UGG boots. That will be quite interesting, because with that I will be able really to give you an idea of the different boots that I have and what I think about them. But as for now, with this one, I'm quite happy that I have been able to score these boots, especially that they are all out of stock everywhere. Okay, so lastly, my final thoughts. Well, what I can say is that I'm very happy that I have been able to purchase a size 36 and also in this color, which will be a versatile color that I will be able to wear easily with everything. And as for the purchase experience, it was really quite fast. I even got a 10% discount because I have subscribed through the newsletter, so I didn't even pay for this full price. I think it was 159 euros and I paid for 145 or something like that. So yeah, try to go to UGG's website and you might have might receive a discount. So always try to do that. And the delivery itself, it was quite fast. I was delivered, I think, 3 or 4 business days, and the packaging was great. If you've checked my unboxing video, you will be able to see how it was packed. Yeah, and then as for the shoes itself, well, nothing to say apart from like all of my other UGG boots. It is great. I know how they feel. I know how to wear them, so I'm not quite surprised, or I'm not expecting anything else but the comfort of it. The only difference is this one is a mini height version, so we'll see how I will be able to style them. So yeah, to be honest, quite happy, satisfied, and can't wait to wear them, style them. Check my Instagram account so you can see how I will wear this with my outfit of the day. So yeah, very happy to be able to have them in my collection. So there you go, guys. That was my first impressions on my UGG's Ultra Mini Boots in the color gray. I hope that this video has helped some of you out there who are debating if this is the style for you, or debating if you have to buy them on the UGG's website or in a third-party website, or maybe try them at the boutique. All I can say is that stick to your size and it will be great. So if this video has entertained you also in a certain way, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as it will help the algorithms of my channel. If you have any feedback or comments, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future video, such as in this case, an upcoming video of comparison of all my UGGs boots, for example. And other than that, I hope to see you all on my next video. And until then, stay safe. Bye.